All right, guys. So this week we are featuring Greek yogurt, the plain unsweetened. That's going to be the star main ingredient. And I just want to show you guys how easy it is to meal prep out with the star ingredient of Greek yogurt for the week. I love to meal prep Monday through Friday. I give myself the weekends off to have a cheat day or to go out to eat or to go to the birthday party, enjoy the cake, enjoy the ice cream, what have you. I just want to show you how easy it is and how important it is to meal prep. And I think we aren't doing it because we think it's more complicated than it has to be. Here at Healthy Days, I do not overcomplicate weight loss at all, but I am extremely intentional about the whole healthy foods that I put into my body. So you can see I have my Tupperware out. I labeled them Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And we are just going to start with roughly half a cup of Greek yogurt. And I just want to show you how you can give your meal prep variety. Your weight loss program loves variety. Gut health loves variety. You want to keep switching things up so that you don't plateau and your body doesn't get used to the ingredients that you're putting in it, because then you will plateau and you won't continue to lose weight. So we've started off with our roughly a half a cup of Greek yogurt. For this Monday, I'm just going to go ahead and I'm going to add blueberries, and I'm going to add a tablespoon of the ground flaxseed chia seed blend. I love this. It's a great way to get the chia and flaxseed into your body. Go ahead and sprinkle that over the top. And if you want to, go ahead and drizzle a little bit of honey. Honey is filled with natural antioxidants. It's a great natural sweetener. So go ahead and give that a little bit of a drizzle. There you go. We are done with Monday. Moving right along onto Tuesday. Same base. We have the Greek yogurt. This is all about meal prepping with Greek yogurt. That's going to be our focus this week. We're going to be intentional to start incorporating Greek yogurt into our meal plan. I'm going to add these delicious blackberries. These things are massive. I picked these up at Aldi's. Aldi is a great store where you can get the fresh produce for not as much of the cost. I find they have the best prices. And then I'm going to go ahead and add a tablespoon of the creamy almond butter. This is another great source of protein. So go ahead and give yourself a scoop of that right on top. Look at that. Tuesday's done. All right, moving on to Wednesday. We can stay in line with the berries. These are the raspberries. Again, I picked these up at Aldi. Throw those in with the Greek yogurt. I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of cinnamon. Cinnamon is a great metabolism booster. It can create a thermic effect inside of your body. So you see, we are just being intentional. Sometimes the hardest part of meal prepping is not knowing what to put into our bodies. But you can see we don't have to overcomplicate it. If you want that extra sweetness, go ahead, drizzle that honey on top. We have Wednesday done. Moving on to Thursday. What should we do for Thursday? All right. If we want to get away from the over sweetness, I diced up the tomato, cilantro, green pepper, onion, a little bit of olive oil, and you'd be so surprised. It blends so well with the Greek yogurt. So go ahead and just throw in 2 to 3 tablespoons of that. Again, what a beautiful, to mix it up a little bit, but we're still using that star base ingredient of the Greek yogurt. We have Thursday done. And last but not least, for Friday, we're going to go ahead and we'll add all the berries. Let's have a berry party. We'll do the blueberries, the black raspberries, and some regular raspberries. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to add another tablespoon of the ground flax and chia seed right on top. Like I said, it's Friday. We've meal prepped all week. We've done so good. Give it another slight drizzle of the honey. Look at that. So again, we are going to stop over complicating weight loss. We are going to stop over complicating meal prep. We have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, one meal down. If you want to call it breakfast, go ahead. If you want to have it midday, any way you look at it, you have one of your meals for the entire week down. I'm going to feature a different food each week of how easy it is to meal prep it out. This week we did the whole milk Greek yogurt, plain unsweetened, and that's the base. It's our star ingredient. Let's go ahead and let's raise our awareness. Let's be intentional to start adding this in. And please, let's be intentional to follow through with the meal prep. If that all sounds good to you, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, Melissa with Healthy Days, and I will see you next time. Enjoy your meal prep. So there you have it, guys. I hope that you are able to take this as a motivation and an inspiration. I just wanted to show you how to be intentional, how important it is to be consistent with your meal prep. Again, we don't have to complicate it here at Healthy Days. Just check out my channel, subscribe to my channel, go through my playlist. I have so many recipes for you to start being intentional to meal prep out, and you are going to see incredible weight loss results. Pair your meal planning and meal prep with physical activity. We're going to start getting into that more as the summer months come along. And I am so excited for your weight loss. See you next time.